We're gonna stay here in this hotel here. You see it? This is where we're gonna stay. We're gonna stay here in this hotel. You can see everything here. Parking area. I think this is the entrance. Yeah, this is the entrance right here. He's Courtyard Shelton Hotel. Yeah. This is Bridge House. Yeah. We're gonna, let's see. Oh man. This is where we're gonna go. We're gonna stay here for 2 days. Hey, my son.
Hi.
This is my son. He's not sleeping yet. You have to go to bed, Papa, because tomorrow we have a long trip. You know that?
Yeah, I'm not your friend.
You're not my friend?
No.
Why?
Yeah, here at the door, and I want to come here, and then go to the car, and the water.
Yeah, Papa, because it's too late now. You have to go to bed. No. Because tomorrow we have a long trip tomorrow. You know that? Yeah. And Daddy gonna work at 1.
I don't know, and go backward and go on and go backward.
Here we go. I'm here. I get here. It's 2:45, and I only have like 5 minutes. 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. This is my. Oh man, thank you, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is my job here. You see where you see all the bosses? All the bosses here. This is my job. This is my office right here. Yeah, this is my office. This building right here. This is the parking area. And I'm gonna park here, and this is my office right here. Oh, look at my boy. Ready to go? Yeah.
Yeah.
And I got. Be careful.
Yeah. Whoa, why are you swimming in the
Oh man, it's gonna be a long trip, man. Like 2 hours, 3 hours. Everything is set up. Hello guys. Today is Saturday, so now we're in Boston. We're gonna go to Connecticut. It's gonna take us like 2 hours and a half or 3 hours. I don't know. Maybe if we got traffic, stuff like that. So I think we're gonna enjoy the weekend. Estoy con mi familia, con mi mujer, con mi niño. You okay, Papa?
Yeah.
My son is here, and just gonna be waiting for my wife. Yo, today it's nice, man. It's a beautiful day today. Huh, Papa? It's a beautiful day today, yeah?
It's a beautiful day, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that!
Yeah.
Mommy!
She's my wife. She's coming now. Well, Lila.
What? Whatever. Not for cutting.
Today is a beautiful day. Not bad. Oh man, it's nice today. Just gotta go now. We're leaving, Baba.
Yeah, leaving.
We're leaving.
Whoa!
We're leaving. Nice. Nice. I like this food. I like this food. We're just gonna take a break now. We're gonna take a break. My baby's. You okay, Papa? I was sleeping. Oh, man. We're gonna take a break now. This is a plaza. We got like everybody here. They travel like us, yeah. Ahí es como una parada. Tú puedes parquear tu carro, y si tú quieres comer algo, y si tú quieres hacer gas, tú puedes hacer gas ahí, porque hay una bomba ahí y los carros están ahí. Y tiene un McDonald's, tiene un Dunkin' Donuts, tiene un Subway. It's really nice.
Go ahead, go to the restroom.
No, record the phone. Cut the phone. Come back.
No, McFlurry. Blue Morton?
Yeah.
Open the door?
No, I'm just gonna. I need a Coke. I need a Coke and a small fries. That's it. Are you okay? What do you want? Yeah, this is really nice, man. Ça écoute pour moun poser ou pour un petit break ou manger là, ou vaquer machine. Vous comprenez? Mon plaza là pour manger. Gen Popeyes, ça son business qui là, et puis McDonald's en face. Mais Subway là, mais Dunkin' Donuts là. Grand pays. Oi, mama. What do we got? I got a Coke. And and a small fries. Oh.
An hour and a half. 2 hours. Tops. You. This is the freeway. Right on the other side. Should I shut it off? Hi, Bobby.
Just got here. We are in Connecticut. Oh, you see the bridge?
My baby, say hi.
Hey, hi, Papa. We are here. It's a nice neighborhood, huh? Oh, this is a nice neighborhood. Nice house. Oh, look. This is nice. Village. Wow. Connecticut. It's beautiful, huh? And they got a golf club too here. Wow. Look. It's 5:16 and I think this is so. The next one we good.
Daddy, look at it.
Oh, nice. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
No, boy, I like it. I like this. I like this city. Wow. This is nice. Oh, look at this house. Oh, wow. Kanyang balibili ng hotel mo. Oh, Bank America. Oh, Bank America. I think this is. Where's the hotel?
Many.
No, but this is. Could get Marriott. What's it?
Really? Shelton.
Huh?
Really?
Yeah, we are here now. This is the hotel here. We are here now. This is the hotel here. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you a short home tour. Here we got the bathroom here on the right side. Here the bathroom Right here, the sink, toilet, everything here. Okay. Mirror. And we got a mirror here. And we got a microwave here. Small coffee machine. We got a small fridge. And this is Donaldson. And we got 2 beds. One here and one here. One for me, one for my wife.
Sleep good. Oh, thank you, Ma. I'm gonna lay down all day.
Yeah.
All day.
One for my wife and Donaldson, and I got one for me, but I'm gonna stay here in this one. And we got a TV with internet. We can watch some movie on Netflix. And we got a small office right here. And we got a closet here. We got a small closet here. And iron. Yeah, I think we're good. Yeah. And we stand the highest one. Yep.
Yep, the highest floor.
The highest floor. And look at the view we got here. I think this is a, can see that here. Parking area. This is the back parking area. I think we're good here, man. Da-da-da.
Dad,
Papa, you good?
yeah, I jump in the wall.
Oops.
I jump in the other office.
I think we're good.
Sorry.
Da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da,
Daddy,
da-da-da.
look at this.
Yeah, this is.
Hey, come on.
All right, Papa. This is the bar. This is the bar. This is the bar. This is the kitchen, the restaurant. And they have small place outside. This is a can come here and chill. Hi, go.